today we start with the topic of what are the net zero, carbon neutral, carbon negative, etc. Basically, these topics are very confusing. What is net zero and what is low emission? What is carbon negative? So, let's start with these all. The topic are what are net zero, carbon neutral and carbon negative. Countries around the world are talking about a step to tackle the climate change and become net zero emission carbon. Net zero emission. So what is net zero? Number one, most of the carbon dioxide by 2050. So as Paris Climate Agreement, most of the country need to net zero by 2050. Most recently, the US President Joe Biden and presidential election win the means US also joined the Paris Climate Treaty. So let's start with what does it mean net zero, and is it completely eliminating all greenhouse gases emissions? Yes or no? And that is, what is the net? Net part of the net zero means we can still emit as long as we offset or remove those emissions from the atmosphere by the same amount of other. This topic? Yes. China recently announced they achieved the goal by 2060. As we know, China is the large emitter of greenhouse gases. So by 2060, France, United Kingdom and New Zealand will go net zero by 2050. Another, Australia. Australia is not whole country, but the all states and territories have net zero strategy, and the federal government is under the pressure to make a national commitment in Australia. So you might also have heard to refer in news, recently in various news topics, you might hear the carbon zero emissions, low emissions, carbon neutral, and what are all that? What is carbon emission, carbon neutral, low emission? So let's clear on what all these terms means really. So that's why we arrange this clarification class. Okay? So as you know, it is a carbon, the NDC, nationally determined contribution. So is the net zero emission is only binded to the country, yes or no? So this clarified that countries can produce net zero, but the term can also apply on the state, a city, company, or even a single building. So even a single building, you also use term net zero emission. So let's understand what is net zero emission. Under the net zero emission scenario, emissions are still being generated. Means net zero emissions are not stopped, it is generated, but they offset by the same amount elsewhere. It means if you generate 1 gigaton of carbon, then you replace it 1 gigaton carbon storage, whether it is biologically stored or technologically stored carbon. So, example, offset active include planting tree, stored in the biosphere, in the natural ecosystem. Another term, carbon neutral. So, what is carbon neutral and net zero? That is, carbon neutral is sometimes used instead of net zero. It means carbon neutral and net zero almost same thing. Broadly means the same thing. So, what are the categories? What are the categories of carbon neutral? So, technology. So, if we use carbon neutral technology, and what is the categories? There are two categories here. Number one, a process generates CO2 in a short term cycle, which is bioenergy, like where CO2 is initially absorbed by the organic emissions are stable and there is no increase in CO2. Number one process is if a biological process generate carbon during short terms and absorb that in a certain specific period, and that is stable and there is no net. It means a biological plant or animal or livestock produce 2 tons of carbon CO2. Then also it is stored by various plants, even the coastal area and other things, 2 tons CO2. So net 2 tons into 2 tons equal to equal. So emission is 0. That's why it is number one process. The second process is that generate CO2 but capture and sequesters, means store it rather than it releasing into the atmosphere. Example of this. Example is the coal fire power plant fitted with carbon capture and storage technology. So here we in this scenario, second scenario, a coal based power plant coal-based power plant. Coal-based power plant use coal, use carbon, but they don't emit directly into the atmosphere. They capture all the carbon in certain carbon capture devices or carbon capture technology store. So most of the latest technology, all big carbon emitter countries are using that kind of technology. They store carbon. So here in this scenario, it is not released in the atmosphere, and of this a coal fire, like coal fire plant and fitted with. So it is called carbon capture technology. It is not biologically, it is technologically. And so there are carbon neutral, two categories, number one biologically and another is technologically. Both are the carbon neutral phenomena. So next